With 43 new cases of COVID-19 registered in Manipur during the past 24 hours, the total tally in the state has soared to 543 with 384 active cases. According to an official report, all the results were confirmed at the Virus Research and Diagnostic Laboratories VRDLS of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Science, JNIMS, and Regional Institute of Medical Science, RIMS, Imphal. 159 patients have recovered from the disease. No COVID-19 related death has been reported in the state till date. 20 Indian Army personnel, including a colonel, were killed in clashes with Chinese troops in the Galwan Valley in eastern Ladakh on Monday night. The biggest military confrontations is over 5 decades that has significantly escalated the already violated border standoff in the region. As details emerge of the violence escalations, the United States says it is closely monitoring the situations and hopes that the differences will be resolved peacefully. With a sharp rise of 2003 fatalities in a day, the coronavirus death toll in India rose to 11,903 today, taking the total case tally in India past the 3.5 lakh mark. As per the latest figure by the Union Health Ministry this morning, around 11,000 new cases of coronavirus were recorded in the country. With the additions of the fresh cases, coronavirus cases in India have reached 3,54,065. The total tally of coronavirus cases in India include 1,86,934 recoveries. The active cases in India now stand at 1,55,227. Thoubal Deputy Commissioner N. Bandana today said that the district administration's Thoubal is all set to open a 100-bedded COVID-19 care center. She said the proposed COVID-19 center will not affect the normal functioning of the administrations. A 6-year-old boy Kangabam Tonsan Meitei of Tendongyang Awang Laikai of Imphal West District distributed face masks, hand sanitizers and hand gloves to personnel of Sekmai police stations today. Master Kangabam Tonsan Meitei, son of K. Jugindro Singh and Kangabam Ongbi Inaubi Debi, is studying in KG1 at Campus English Academy School, Luangsangbam. A meeting held at the office of Moirang Kendra Progressive Front MKPF in Moirang Phailem Laikai condemned delimitations exercise based on 2001 census. Thongam Santi, a social worker, chief advisor of MKPF, Dr. Y. Madhu, President L. Gopal, Secretary M. Uttam Kumar and workers were present in the meeting. A team from 3 Corps Indian Army carried out survey for constructions a bi-layer bridge over the natural pond near the Bagjan 5 oil well site in Assam's Tinsukia yesterday. According to media reports, 2 numbers of bunk houses and 1 number of generating set have been placed at site after completions of civil work for development of the area.